Hey guys, and welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log in, reset password and create account in PNC Bank online. First of all, open any web browser on your mobile device or your PC, and in the web address bar, type in pnc.com and hit enter. It will take you to the official homepage of PNC Bank, where on the right side you can see a login box. In order to log in, you have to enter your user ID, password, and click login. But in any case, if you forgot your user ID or password, you can recover your user ID or password by clicking the option which is below password box, forgot ID and password. And if you already have a bank account but haven't started online banking, you can start getting enrolled in online banking by clicking the option enroll in online banking. And from here, to get started, click the option Get Started, and now you have to verify your identity by entering your details like social security number, PNC Visa debit card PIN or online access PIN, PNC account number, etc. And after filling in all the details and following all the steps, you can start getting enrolled in online banking of PNC. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.